Many homeowners and business owners consider All Pro Roofing a top choice for storm damage roof repair in Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey, because of our commitment to quality workmanship, fast response times, and comprehensive roofing and gutter services. As an experienced roofing contractor, we specialize in roof repair, emergency roof repair, roof replacement, and roof installation for all types of roofing systems, including roof shingles, roof tiles, and metal roofs. Are you looking for a roofing contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing. Can strong winds damage gutters and roofing systems? Yes, strong winds can cause significant damage to both gutters and roofing systems, especially during severe storms. At All Pro Roofing, we frequently address these issues through our storm damage roof repair services, helping homeowners and businesses restore the integrity of their roofing and gutter systems. How do damaged gutters affect my roof? Damaged gutters can have a serious impact on your roof by preventing water from draining away from your home or business properly. As a trusted roofing contractor providing storm damage roof repair, we offer comprehensive roofing and gutter services, including gutter cleaning, gutter cleanout, gutter installation, and ongoing maintenance to keep your drainage system functioning effectively. What is your service area? Our All Pro Roofing serve the following New Jersey locations: Morristown, Medford, Mount Holly, Lumberton, Burlington, Voorhees Township, Haddonfield, Cherry Hill, Woodbury, Deptford, Cinnaminson, Pennsauken Township, Collingswood, Evesham, Delran, Burlington Township, Southampton Township, Pemberton Township, Burlington County, Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey. Where is your All Pro Roofing office located? We are located at 257 Ramblewood Parkway, Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey 08054, United States. Our phone number is 856-443-4993. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/mount-laurel-township-nj.